Shared fate is a mechanism that's usually applied to symmetrical pairs of services. The source for each service is the destination for the other. The services are made to route along common links in opposite directions, ensuring that an event that degrades or interrupts one service is likely to also affect the other. To illustrate this, I have a scenario called sharedfatescenario.spb loaded. This scenario has two services already defined, one going left-right and one going right-left. Each requires minimum hops. The topology has 4 different paths for the services to use. One has 2 hops, one 3 hops, one 4 hops, and one 5 hops. If I compute paths for the services, they're allocated the shortest paths. So now I'll require that the services share fate. This is set up in the Shared Fate Services tab of the Service Properties dialog box. And if I recompute now, the services no longer take the shortest paths using the unidirectional links, and they don't take the next shortest, which has some bidirectional and some unidirectional links. They take the shortest bidirectional path that they can share in opposite directions. The service with a shared fate requirement will fail to route if it cannot find a shareable bidirectional path. This can be demonstrated if I make the bidirectional paths unusable and then I recompute. The first service has failed to route because the requirement to share fate can't be satisfied. Now you've seen how shared fate works. Try out the exercise using the scenario I've provided, and perhaps try out some new scenarios of your own. If you have any questions about iVNT or the iVNT training, please contact ARIA Networks during UK office hours.